What if you could build a faceless YouTube channel? People binge at 2 a.m. and it pays you while you sleep. While everyone panics about the July 15th update, one niche is quietly posting daily, racking up views and cashing out. Wouldn't you like to get in on that action? Today, I'm pulling the curtain on the horror niche and showing you exactly how to copy the playbook. While creators are making thousands of dollars a month with completely faceless channels, and they're using one thing that makes the process fast: AI tools. I've spent hours researching this niche, and everything I'm about to show you actually works. Part of proving that is showing you what competitors are doing. Real receipts, not theory. I've personally tested every step for hours. If you're serious and follow this system step by step, you can walk away with a legitimate business. Here's the truth. Everything takes work, time, and consistency. You can't post one video and expect to be a millionaire overnight. That's highly impossible. You need your mind and your creativity to make your version unique. The good news though, while everyone is worrying about the July 15th update, this niche is thriving, posting daily or weekly. This is the kind of content YouTube actually wants to push. This video kicks off a full series on how people are building these channels. In this series, I'll show you how to analyze competitors. A full deep dive. I've also put a Google Doc together with multiple case studies. Then I'll show you how to find unlimited topics with smart niche research, so you always know what to post. We'll use AI to write scripts, and I'll go in depth on making every script unique. No cookie-cutter creepiness. After that, I'll show you how to create professional quality AI voiceovers. Yes, the kind that doesn't sound like a GPS with trust issues. Next, we'll hunt down engaging footage to make your video stand out. Pair it with copyright-safe music that fits the vibe, and I'll even show you how to edit it all together. Clean, tight, bingeable. Lastly, we'll craft jaw-dropping thumbnails that stop the scroll, optimize your content for discoverability, and upload with the right settings so you can start getting fast views. This series covers everything from start to finish. All I ask in return, please like and share this video. It helps the channel and it tells me this is valuable for you, so I can keep making more. That's the whole purpose of this channel. Create real value and help you build something that lasts. And to show you the proof, here's a quick demo of the exact video style we'll be modeling. Spoiler, it's just as good, if not better, than the channels we're studying.
Imagine scrolling through Google Maps on a late night, looking for nothing in particular. Maybe just exploring empty stretches of land, following roads that most people will never.
All right, let's get started. I've prepped a Google Doc to give you a head start in this niche. But if there's a corner I haven't covered, here's the move. Find your top performing competitor first. Why, you may ask? It's because their numbers tell you the ceiling. How much money is realistically on the table? The bigger their revenue, the bigger your potential. It's simple math, spooky profits. And if you've been with me for a while, you already know the money doesn't stop at AdSense. There's affiliate income, sponsorships, and community support. We can't forget about Patreon. Multiple streams flowing into one river, you feel me? This isn't just get-rich-quick scheme. This is impact. You're building something that can help you feed your family, support your friends, and craft the life you actually want. Now, let's take a peek at one of the big dogs in this niche. One of the top channels in the horror story space is Mr. Nightmare. About 6.9 million subscribers, 477 videos, and roughly 1 billion total views. The channel started a decade ago. True, but the recent uploads are frequent, which means they're still very active. That's a healthy ecosystem. And here's my secret sauce that I use to analyze my competitors. A tool called NextLev. It lets us pop the hood and look deeper at analytics. Think of it as night vision for YouTube. We are going to click on the Analytics tab. You'll see the total views, category, start date, last upload, and average video length. Tap the RPM panels to spot monthly earnings and RPM. Cool, right? In the next beat, we'll use that data to shape your format so you're not guessing in the dark, you're hunting with a map. Time to put on the night vision goggles. Open NextLev and click Analytics. Here's what pops right up. Total channel views, category, start date, last upload, and the average video length. Then I check revenue. They're pulling about $100,000 a month. Yes. OMG is the correct reaction. Next stop, RPM, roughly $7.71 per 1,000 views. That tells us how valuable each view is in this niche. Spooky good. Now I've got the money picture and a sense of the upside. Next, I need the format target. Go to the Videos tab. You'll see several uploads around 20 minutes, a few under 10, but most sit 20 plus minutes. That's your runtime sweet spot. Click into a video and you'll notice the production recipe. They use stock images, stock video, voiceover, and music. Faceless, fast, effective, like a ghost editor. There's also a power tab in NextLev called Analysis. This is where we go full detective. It breaks down the best performing content buckets, which tells us what themes actually pull views. Top title formats, which tells us the phrasing patterns that click. A full channel. Analysis, saturation analysis, performance patterns, content formula discovery, audience behavior insights, and strategic opportunities. Read it, highlight it, screenshot it. This is your playbook. The goal isn't to copy, it's to understand the mechanics of what works so you can build your own version that hits just as hard. Last, quick note on thumbnails. Simple wins. Most of the leaders in this niche are using AI-generated images with 3 to 4 words of punchy text. No novels, no scrapbooks. Just one striking image, a bold phrase, and boom, click. I'll show you how to make these later, but remember the vibe. Clean, creepy, clickable. We've studied one top dog. Now let's map the rest of the forest. 2 ways to do it: manual hunt and NextLev sniper mode. Manual YouTube hunt. Open YouTube in incognito. This is so that the algorithm doesn't just serve you the content you already know. Type in horror stories or Mr. Nightmare. Click into 3 videos from Mr. Nightmare. Watch at least 50% so the algo gets the hint. Return to the YouTube homepage. You'll see a wall of similar channels populate. This is your competitor pool. Open the promising ones in new tabs. Keep in mind that the niche is wide. Some use incident footage, some do narration with stills. You want channels closest to your format, but you'll add your twist. But that's the manual way to do it. This is a bit time-consuming. However, I'm here to show you a simple way. A faster and cleaner way of doing your competitor research. Now, go to Mr. Nightmare's YouTube channel. Click on Similar Channels tab. Toggle in-depth search. Click on Search. You can sort by days. Since started to spot OGs? For example, if we click on this channel right here, we can see that they started from 2007. And we can also sort by new to find fresh contenders, which some of them launched last month. You can sort by subscribers to see the top dogs. For example, Mr. Ballin, who has 10 million subscribers. You can sort by similarity score to find channels closest to Mr. Nightmare's style. And you can sort by total views to see who's racking up the most attention. Fast. Let me tell you something. Patterns matter. Notice how many names lean into fear language. Nightmare, spooky, dark, whispers. Pick something that signals scary. If your heart is set on a curveball like this one, Ripshy, you can still win. Just be consistent so the audience instantly connects your name with your scary content. For our mid-tier benchmark, let's check Blue Spooky. About 272,000 subscribers and 1,700 videos, a workhorse channel. Their analytics show around $3,000 per month with an RPM near 10. That's wild. Video lengths range from 40 minutes to 1 hour, with the occasional 5-hour marathon. They post daily. If we take a look at what videos they produce, it's often a driving POV, most likely AI-assisted, with story narration and rainy ambience. Translation: they're leaning heavily on story. Visuals are simple, mood is consistent, voice does the heavy lifting. And when we take a look at their thumbnails, it is A. images combined with short titles like True Scary Stories. Let me tell you why this competitor matters. Blue Spooky proves you can win with consistency plus story. Daily uploads, long run times, simple visuals, strong narration. That's a machine you can build without showing your face. That's the map. Top dog, mid-tier grinder, and a pipeline to discover new entrants. In the next segment, we'll turn all this recon into a format you can execute consistently and fast. Alright, final competitor, Untold Fears. I like studying new but rising channels, those within 1 to 8 months of launching, because they show you what's working right now. This channel has about 11,000 subscribers and 39 videos. And get this, they literally started a month ago and they're already monetized. Click on the Analytics tab. You'll see estimated revenue around $2,000 per month. Tap RPM. It's roughly $10 per 1,000 views. This is very good. Click on Latest to confirm they're posting every day. Their average video is doing around 2 hours per video. Long form, bingeable, cozy nightmare vibes. Open one of their videos and you'll see the production recipe. A mix of stock footage, AI-generated photos, AI voiceover, and an ominous soundtrack. Minimal visuals, maximum story. Think radio drama with pictures. Open the channel's videos grid. Hover the thumbnails. Notice AI images with 4 to 5 words. Max. Spot the pattern that they are using. 1 or 2 words. Huge in red, smaller supporting words underneath. Readable at a glance on mobile, this equals to instant clicks. Let me tell you why this matters. Even after the July 15th update, channels like Untold Fears are thriving because they're actually putting in the work. Consistent uploads, clear storytelling, and non-robotic delivery. YouTube isn't saying no AI, it's saying no lazy. Very big difference if you ask me. This should give you confidence. If you're willing to follow the system and add your own twist, you can build in this niche, faceless and profitable. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to find topics and generate scripts. Fast, unique, and ready to binge.